Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bydfi by BTC, XRP and SOL app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bydfi is a cryptocurrency trading platform designed for users who want fast access to buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin, XRP, SOL, Ethereum, and other popular tokens. The app focuses on simplifying crypto trading by offering spot trading, contract trading, copy trading, and competitive transaction fees. Bydfi is available on both iOS and Android and supports multiple payment options, including bank transfers and third-party processors. The app's main feature is its beginner-friendly trading interface. Users can buy or sell crypto quickly, track real-time market charts, set price alerts, and view detailed order histories. More advanced traders can access leverage trading, trading pairs, and analytical tools for deeper market insights. Bydfi also provides user verification, secure asset wallets, and 24/7 customer support to assist with account or trading issues. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Bydfi for its smooth interface, fast transaction speed, and the variety of supported cryptocurrencies. The copy trading feature is especially valued by beginners who want to follow experienced traders. Users also highlight the platform's relatively lower trading fees and responsive support team. However, there are some drawbacks. Bydfi is not available in certain regions due to regulatory restrictions, and features like leverage trading may be risky for inexperienced traders. Some users also mention delays during high-traffic trading periods and limited advanced charting tools compared to major exchanges. In addition, crypto trading relies on market volatility, which can affect user experience and investment outcomes. In summary, the Bydfi app may be worth using if you want fast crypto purchases, a simple trading interface, copy trading options, and access to multiple digital assets. However, if you prefer exchange platforms with deeper analytics, broader global availability, or lower-risk trading environments, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.